Four machines compete for one kitchen counter space, and only one of them deserves to be there. That is the real conversation we are having today. Brands like Ninja, Breville, KitchenAid, and DeLonghi are on the table. All four brands claim they engineer the best semi-automatic brewer available today. All four boast fiercely loyal fans who swear by their daily cups. But after looking closely into specs, verified reviews, and real-world performance across months of research, only one of these units genuinely earns the cash you spend for your specific lifestyle. Picking the wrong setup becomes an expensive mistake, which is an error you will not catch until the machine is already sitting on your counter, collecting regret. Here is some context before we start. A semi-automatic coffee maker occupies the sweet spot between a lifeless push-button pod device and a highly complex manual machine. You grind the beans, and then you pack the dose into the portafilter. The hardware handles the pump pressure, but the exact moment the shot stops remains entirely your call. That shared responsibility between human and hardware creates the space where true flavor lives. And all four of these competitors approach that sacred duty in completely different ways. Ninja entered this category in mid-2024 with the Luxe Cafe. They arrive with a lot of attention. The machine features an integrated scale. A smart guide tells you the exact grind size to dial in. Suddenly, you possess one sleek device brewing rich shots, regular drip, and flawless cold brew, simply by swapping the filter basket to match your desired drink. That sounds like a large number of features, because it genuinely delivers exactly that. The upgraded Pro version landed in 2025 and pushed the automation even further, adding more guided options for buyers demanding results without the tedious research. The Ninja Luxe Cafe serves a very specific type of consumer. It serves the person who wakes up exhausted, craves a perfect flat white, and refuses to spend hours learning a craft before their morning coffee. Ninja heavily assists the workflow for you. You still have to tamp and transfer the portafilter, but the machine guides the rest. That is the entire deal. Zero barista experience is required. An auto-whisking system for hot and cold milk foam exists nowhere else in this lineup. For a first-time homebuyer, that detail alone justifies the purchase. Breville operates as an entirely different machine. For years, their Barista Express dominated top lists in the home coffee sector, and the reason is quite straightforward. This specific unit hands you control and expects you to execute something serious with it. A powerful steam wand delivers real latte art practice. Its onboard grinder rewards patience and severely punishes carelessness. Your first 10 pulls will taste average. Your 50th pull will taste like a wholly different story. Breville never apologizes for its steep learning curve. Neither do the dedicated enthusiasts who master it. Where Ninja automates, Breville teaches. With the Barista Express, every single variable, from portafilter dose to tamp pressure to grind consistency, sits squarely in your hands. And when you finally nail a pull after weeks of deliberate practice, that rich crema sitting on top belongs exclusively to you. You earn that. While their Bambino Plus exists for tighter kitchens, this flagship Express model forged Breville's industry reputation in the first place, holding on to that crown for exceptional reasons. The initial learning curve is quite steep and unforgiving. The shots you extract after climbing that mountain will surpass every expectation of what a home setup can achieve. KitchenAid is the silent operator of the group. Their semi-automatic model, featuring an integrated burr grinder, grew a sizable fan base steadily between late 2023 and 2025. Reviewers from across the entire industry land on the exact same surprising detail. That grinder runs quieter than any rival in this category. It is not slightly hushed, but rather surprisingly quiet. Fire it up at 6 in the morning and nobody in your house stirs. You will receive zero complaints. That laser-focused attention to a specific domestic problem reveals something deeply authentic about how this brand designs consumer goods. A heavy stainless steel chassis weighs enough to signal undeniable permanence. This sturdy unit was engineered to outlast fleeting trends, not to impress you for 6 months and then awkwardly wobble. Clever hidden storage behind the drip tray keeps your counter flawlessly clean and uncluttered. Featuring a 58mm commercial-grade portafilter, it opens the door to upgrading premium accessories as your technique sharpens over time. KitchenAid does not boast about any of this. It simply works, performs quietly, and looks elegant doing both. For someone demanding beauty and function without constantly babysitting a complicated daily workflow, this elegant device stands apart. DeLonghi designed the La Specialista around one maddening problem that actively ruins home coffee for most people. This problem is the dreaded tamping stage. Pressing your ground dose into the basket before brewing requires precision, and getting it wrong instantly wrecks the extraction. Uneven pressure, inadequate force, and loose grounds can easily ruin your clean counter. This process can cause real frustration. DeLonghi analyzed that exact pain point and engineered a physical lever directly into the chassis that perfectly regulates pressure as you manually execute the tamp. You simply pull it down. This provides flawless compression and leaves a spotless kitchen every single time. Both their Arte and Touch models carry this brilliant feature as a defining identity, and it functions exactly as advertised. The results are completely reliable. While rooted in traditional mechanics, many models in this system actually do feature cold brew capabilities and multi-brew versatility. DeLonghi looked closely into the traditional Italian ritual and removed its messiest obstacle. That rich European heritage shapes how they engineered the internal mechanics, going far beyond mere outward aesthetics. It provides consistent water pressure, reliable liquid output, and a workstation that remains spotless after every chaotic morning rush. Very few competitors at this price point can genuinely promise all three elements. The La Specialista manages to deliver. We now have to determine the winner. Ninja takes the crown for beginners. This is a fact. It offers extensive automation, broad multi-brew flexibility, and guided grind settings. Nothing else in this comparison makes cafe-quality drinks this accessible to someone who has never owned a serious setup before. Breville wins for the purist committed to mastering a genuine skill. Nobody else in this group offers you that intense level of craft development, and the extractions you produce after mastering the Barista Express will set an entirely new standard for your morning routine. That gap remains notably wide. You should trust the performance data. KitchenAid captures the design-first buyer, treating quiet mornings as non-negotiable. Their hushed grinder is a valuable addition. It represents a fundamental lifestyle decision. Plus, the commercial-grade portafilter ensures the hardware scales upward as your technique steadily improves over time. DeLonghi wins the market for the traditional coffee lover craving high consistency while disliking cleanup duty. Smart tamping eliminates the most common point of human failure in domestic brewing. That single innovation alone justifies its place in the conversation. My final verdict after testing all of the machines is clear. Breville reigns supreme in this group for anyone willing to put in the effort. Those shots you pull 6 months down the line will outshine the other three options. Nothing else here teaches you the way Breville demands. If that kind of steep daily commitment sounds exhausting right now, there is another option. The Ninja Luxe Cafe stands out as the most transparent beginner unit available. Both verdicts ring completely true. Which one applies to your life depends entirely on what kind of morning routine you actually want to adopt.